Today I am going to discuss about the structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. So first of all, what is the particular definition? If we consider about a structured data, it should be highly organized and it will be storing in the form of rows and columns, and it will follow a strict schema. We can say it will follow a fixed format. And I want to extract something. It is very easy. I can write a simple query and I can easily extract important information from a structured data. Now, the semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is the partially organized and it is not following any strict tables. And if we are talking about the semi-structured data, it has lot of tags and the markers. It is somewhat easy, but we have to do the pre-processing. After that, we can extract the information from semi-structured data. Now, the unstructured data, it is totally different. We can tell that any kind of data, those are not following any structure, it will be a unstructured. It may be anything, it can be anything. It will be a very raw data, messy data, and it is very complex to organize. And it is not following any predefined format. It can be anything. So now I am talking about the structured examples. Here in this particular PDF, I am considering the CGPA, IQ, and based on that, the placement record. The student will be placed or not. So this type of data we can store in a format of a CSV, Excel, and SQL tables. If we are talking about the semi-structured data, it will be email. The very good example is the email. In email, there are subject, there are sender, there are body text. We can insert anything in an email. We can insert the image, we can insert the video, we can insert audio as well in that email. And the JSON, XML, and HTML file also is a semi-structured data. If we consider about the NoSQL database, that means a MongoDB. In MongoDB, the format is the text format is the in JSON format. So it will be also a semi-structured data. Now, unstructured, any social media post. We randomly post something in Instagram, in Facebook, in LinkedIn, in threads. So all type of data are the unstructured data. Any multimedia, if we consider about a image, if we consider about a audio, video, any MP3 and MP4 file will be a part of a unstructured data. We can store this type of data in a cloud storage. The big storage is required. We can store in data lakes as well. Now, how we can extract information from structured data? We can easily write a SQL query. We can easily write an Excel formula. And for pandas also, we can write a query for extracting information from a structured data. For semi-structured, we have to do the pre-processing or the parsing kind of task. After that, it will be easy for retrieve the data. Unstructured data, it is comparatively difficult from a structure and semi-structure. We have to use a natural language processing or computer vision technique for extracting information from a unstructured data. If we are talking about the machine learning, the statistical models and the traditional machine learning model, any regression or any classification kind of model, it works very well in a structured data. I want to predict my placement. The student will be placed or not from CGPA and IQ. So we can easily do these things. When the format is the totally structured format, we can easily apply the traditional machine learning model approach or any statistical model. Now, I want to extract the review, the customer review from a JSON format. So, why I want to extract that customer review or the product review, what the customer gave from the JSON format? Because I want to do a sentiment analysis. I want to do what? A sentiment analysis. So for that, this kind of task, we have to do the pre-processing. So now the semi-structured plays a very important role. If you consider about the unstructured data, and we want to do some pre-processing stuff and all those type of things, I want to predict the sentiment analysis from Twitter. I want to do the image recognition. I want to convert speech to text. This type of thing, the advanced ML technique, that means we can say that AI technique as well, the natural language processing and the computer vision, it is required. So in a one line, the structured data is very strict, tabular format and easy for a machine learning. Semi-structured data, it is a flexible, it is partially organized. And if we consider about the unstructured data, it is very raw, messy, and the NLP and CV required for a unstructured data. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.